Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rowena Bondi. I am college level. I am also single parent with 4 children, ages 20 years old, 18 years old, 16 years old, and 8 years old. Previously, I worked in Saudi Riyadh for Saudian couple. I take care 2-year-old baby. And also, I do cleaning, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cooking. My main work is to take care of the baby. Presently, I work in Kuwait, in Kuwaiti couple. I take care a newborn baby, and also I do cleaning, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cooking. Mom and sir, if you hired me, I will take care and treat them, your children, as my own baby. And I will promise I will finish my contract and willing to renew as soon as you like me. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you.